Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I am doing Slime Bash haul part 1. So these are all the slimes I bought at Slime Bash today. And you guys, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you haven't seen part 1 yet, I'll link it in the description. It'll be the second link, and first link will be to my slime shop, and go cop some slime if you want to. They're pretty cheap, they're only like $6 for 8 ounces, so yeah. Go check it out, and we got a bunch in stock. And yeah, let's get into the video. So again, these are all the slimes I bought at Slime Bash today. Alright, so this first slime is from the Bomb Slimes, and it's called Ahoy Ladies. And this is inspired by Stranger Things, because in Stranger Things, Steve works at the ice cream place, and he's like always trying to pick up chicks, so yeah. And it's called Scoops Ahoy, obviously, and it comes with some little add-ins. Add those in. Get all those sprinkles in. They like came out on me. And yeah, super cute. Alright, let's mix it. And it's like a red and white butter slime. And to me it smells like chocolate chip cookie dough, maybe? Ice cream. And it's a really amazing smooth butter slime texture. And with all those Java chips in there, it creates a very fun, unique texture. And I love it. The scent of the slime is just so amazing. I'm like literally obsessed with it. Can't stop sniffing it. It's so good. And yeah, the Bomb Slimes is amazing. They are thebomb.com. That's like something my mom would say. Shout out to you, Mom. You're awesome. You drove me 3 hours plus traffic to Connecticut so we could go to Slime Bash. So thank you. Alright, let's move on to the next slime. So this next slime is Oreo Pie from Scented Slime by Amy. Got to meet her today also. And I believe it is a butter slime on top and then a snow fizz on the bottom. So yeah, it's a white butter slime and black snow fizz. And it has a little Oreo charm. Looks like it's an Oreo pie charm. Or no, it's just an Oreo. And it has an amazing Oreo pie scent. Oh my god, that literally smells so good. Alright guys, let's mix it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at those lines. It's like a zebra. The slime, it smells delish. Just like an Oreo pie. It just smells like Oreo and just goodness. Yeah, it just smells amazing. Can't describe it. You'll love this slime if you get it, so highly recommend. I've seen a lot of people review this one. Well, Scented Slime by Amy is known for her scents, so that's probably why it smells so good. It's in the name. It becomes a really nice butter fizz texture when you're done mixing it. Also, it's gray, by the way, when you mix it. It's like a gray color. Alright, this next slime is from Satisfactory Store. Super cool logo. I follow them on Instagram. And it's called Electric Crunch. I can't tell if that's a Y. Maybe it's electric crunchy. I think it's just crunch. And yeah, it's a white glue slushie. Super pretty and neon. Yeah, love it. And it smells like maybe watermelon. Let me take another sniff. Yeah, I think it's like a watermelon scent. It's really nice. But let's feel it. So it's a white glue slushie. And it's a bunch of different electric colors, like it's pink, orange, yellow. And they're all super pretty and neon. Here we are. This is really good. I've never had a white glue slushie this good. Oh my god, that's so crunchy. Alright, well, I definitely recommend their slushies. Listen to that crunch. That's so nice. Literally, that's just so nice. I'll definitely be playing with this in the future. Actually, can I get that to fit? I might be able to get that to fit. No, I can't. It inflates by like half an ounce. Fun fact. So yeah, really nice slime. Alright, we're done with those three. And now we're on to these three from Slime Yoda. Or as my mom likes to call them, Slimy Oda. Kind of weird. Yeah, if you're watching this, Mom, then you're probably laughing. Anyway, this first one's called Yummy Gummy Freeze. I think this is an icy. And it smells really nice, like gummies and like a Baja Blast, kind of. So it's really nice and smooth and very sizzly. That one, oh, I keep shaking the camera. That one is definitely an icy. It's more of like a wet icy texture, so if you're into that, it's like very soft and wet. But it's not a bad icy texture, it's actually really nice. But if you like a drier slime, I wouldn't recommend this. But if you're okay with a little wetness in your slime, then yeah, I recommend it. It's great. These ones keep inflating. I think I'm officially out of containers to put my inflations of the slimes in, so gotta go stock up on those tomorrow. Anyway, This next slime is called Pink Lemonade Thicky. Obviously, it's a thick slime. Look how pretty that is. Here, I'll let you guys listen to that. Oh my god, this is such an amazing texture of slime. Like, I've literally never felt anything this thick and nice. It's such a nice, unique, thick texture. It's really nice. Of course, it's not that stretchy because it is a super thick slime. But it's so glossy and it's just amazing. Like, if you ever get the chance to buy from her, I recommend it 100%. It's so amazing. And yeah, this last slime doesn't have a name because I got this for free. Because she had a buy two, get one free deal. So we got a free 5 ounce. Those were both 6 ounces, by the way. And I think this is a 5 ounce. So this is like a clear glue snow fizz. And to me, this one smells like maybe peaches or watermelon. It smells very fresh and fruity. And super sizzly. And lovely. So that was a really good slime. And yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed that. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And yeah, guys, stay tuned for part 3. And again, if you haven't seen part 1 already, first link in the description will bring you to part 3. Not part 3, sorry. Part 2. I mean, part 1. Oh my god, I literally can't speak. I'm the most awkward person ever. So, sorry about that, but can't control it. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Go cop some slime to support the brand. And, yeah, guys, have a good day and eat a pancake. And, yeah, guys, bye!